5 hidden iPhone settings that are secretly killing your battery. So if you want to turn off the 5 settings that are hidden on your iPhone that are secretly killing your battery, then just watch this video. First, open up your settings, and from there you need to scroll down, go with General, scroll down again, go with Background App Refresh, and here you need to just simply go and turn it off. After turning off the background refresh, if you want to keep certain essential apps active like weather or mail, you can leave them on and disable the rest manually. Solution number 2 is location services. Location services are helpful when using maps or delivery apps, but keeping them on for all apps makes your phone constantly searching for GPS signals. So one of the biggest battery killers is location. For that, the solution is you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option of privacy and security. Tap on it and tap on location services. Set each app to while using the app only. And for apps that never need your location, choose never. After that, the third hidden iPhone setting is your auto brightness and high brightness. So if you turn on your auto brightness, then you need to go and turn it off. So open up your settings, and from settings, you need to just simply go with search and search for brightness. Tap on it, and if you've selected automatic turned on, then you just need to simply go and turn it off. You'll notice that your battery lasts longer because darker pixels consume less energy. Number 4 is automatic Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. This feature keeps scanning for networks even when Wi-Fi or Bluetooth are turned off, draining your battery unnecessarily. So the solution is you need to open up your settings at first. From your settings, you need to scroll down a bit, go with privacy and security. Under privacy and security, scroll down again, and you will find an option of location services. Tap on it, scroll all the way down, and tap on system services. Then disable networking and wireless, which is right here. Tap on turn off. Now the 5th hidden iPhone setting is you need to turn on your airplane mode when signal is weak. So if you notice poor or no signal, enable airplane mode until you're back in an area with good reception. This can save a significant amount of battery power, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.